The commissioning comes after the district completing to drill 6 boreholes in 4 sub-counties, namely Laropi, Aluru, Moyo and Lefori sub-county under the local revenues mobilized by the district in a bid to provide access to clean water to the public in these areas. Mr. Gore Goffin, the resident district commissioner Moyo, during the commissioning said the government's plan is to improve on the access to clean water system for the citizens so as to prevent waterborne diseases. He further lauded Moyo district local government for implementing their plans in their budget, saying this will go a long way in addressing the water challenges facing the people in these areas.
I've witnessed the boreholes, they are all working, and this is very good. I want to ask the community that government's plan is to improve on clean water coverage. So these boreholes contribute to the well-being of citizens. And I want to ask the people to take advantage and use the clean water so that our health, our life is safe. I also want to thank Moyo district. So far, so good. I have seen that things which are budgeted for, things which are planned for, come to pass.
Honorable Andu Richard Opeli, the Vice Chairman Local Council 5 Moyo District, appealed to the public to make proper use of the boreholes by forming water user committees and opening up accounts, which is specifically for the maintenance of the borehole so that it doesn't break down completely, adding that he is well aware that the 6 boreholes are not enough to serve the entire population in the district and pledged that in the next financial year they will try their best to vote resources so as to add the number of boreholes to solve the water challenges across the district.
Appeal to the community so that they use the water very, very carefully. And also we have also instructed them to ensure that they open accounts to ensure that water user collections are put into bank for purpose of maintaining these boreholes. And we also told them in case they fail to maintain the boreholes very well, we will go on the ground to ensure that the water source is locked up by water engineering because of failure to maintain the water properly.
Mr. Votsiri Geoffrey, the Deputy Chief Administrative Officer Moyo, said the district spent over 150 million shillings to drill the 6 boreholes across the district, saying the funds are a combination of the District Development Fund, which they specifically allocated for drilling boreholes in areas where water had been a big problem, adding that the drilling of the boreholes has increased the percentage of access to clean water in the district to 73%.
The 152 million is a combination of what we call DDEG, Support the Decentralization Program, and then the normal water grant. So we compile the normal water grant plus DDEG to deliver the water. As a district, we have a planning system. In 1 year, financial year, since our DDEG fund is small, we plan for 1 department.
Honorable Drami Caesar, the Chairman Local Council 3, Laropi Sub-County, lauded Moyo District for taking up the initiative to drill a borehole in his sub-county, saying for a very long time the people in the village have been lacking access to clean water, and this led to increase in waterborne disease and teenage pregnancy among young girls.
But up to date, people of this area have been suffering. They go for safe water, it's like about 3 kilometers away. So the girls of these areas, by those days, have really conceived on the way, because on the way they are going, coming back, the boys will just come and ambush them.
Mrs. Awongo Vicky, the Water Committee Chairperson for Ramogi East Borehole, lauded the government for bringing the borehole closer to their homes, saying they have been going to fetch water at dawn because the women need clean water in their homes. They end up leaving their men in bed and go in search for the water.
Aman so gameti 70 dok pasi. Aya mani e de dika difo disi. Kinyama dujo de arisi. Seni drimu drisa. Ama bandiki jito ama dere chumati.
For a very long time, most parts of Moyo district has been experiencing challenges with clean water, especially along Nile Belt, Meto, Lefori and some parts of the district, which caused untold suffering to the public who oftenly suffer from waterborne diseases. It's upon this background that the district last financial year prioritized the drilling of boreholes in areas which are prone to water crisis so that they provide clean water to the people and reduce on the disease burden in relation to lack of clean water across the district. Dominic Anthony Okumu, West Nile TV, Nilecast.